This is your one-in-a-lifetime chance to capitalize on the quantum revolution, a $10 billion opportunity you can't miss. But it's not IonQ. Quantinuum has just reached a valuation of $10 billion, marking a seismic shift in the quantum computing landscape. When investors think of quantum computing stocks, IonQ is often the first name that comes to mind. The company's trapped ion technology and strategic partnerships with major cloud providers like Microsoft Azure, Amazon Web Services, and Google Cloud have earned it a loyal following. Over the past year, IonQ's stock price has skyrocketed by 812%, pushing its market cap to around $22 billion. While IonQ will likely continue to dominate headlines, investors seeking the next big breakthrough may want to look elsewhere. That brings us to Quantinuum, a rising star in the space that recently secured $600 million in funding from a stellar list of backers, including Honeywell, JPMorgan Chase, Amgen, Mitsui, and notably, Nvidia. Following its recent capital raise, Quantinuum is now valued at $10.6 billion. Let's explore why Quantinuum could become the next monster company defining the quantum AI market, and how investors can gain exposure today. Quantum computing has trillion-dollar potential. Quantinuum's investor lineup underscores the broad reach of the technology. Honeywell brings industrial-scale expertise. JPMorgan represents the financial sector. Amgen highlights breakthroughs in pharmaceuticals, and Nvidia bridges high-performance computing with quantum AI. Together, these partners illustrate how quantum tech impacts nearly every major economic sector. The potential applications are vast, from fraud detection to risk modeling, logistics optimization, energy efficiency, drug discovery, molecular simulation, AI model training, and generative application design. With such transformative use cases on the horizon, it's no surprise that McKinsey & Company projects quantum computing could generate trillions of dollars in economic value over the coming decades. How to invest in Quantinuum? Since Quantinuum remains a private company, investors can't buy its stock directly. However, there is still a practical way to gain exposure: by investing in publicly traded companies that already own equity stakes in Quantinuum. This approach not only provides passive access to quantum computing's growth potential, but also delivers diversified exposure through established blue-chip stocks. By owning shares of companies like Nvidia, Amgen, JPMorgan, and Honeywell, investors can participate in multiple industries poised to benefit as quantum AI moves from research labs to tangible commercialization. In other words, this strategy offers a balanced path to profit from the next computing evolution while staying anchored in some of the market's most durable, resilient, and profitable industry leaders. Why quantum AI is such an important opportunity? AI has already transformed global computing demand. In just a few years, companies like Nvidia, Broadcom, and Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing have ascended into the exclusive trillion-dollar market cap club. In fact, Nvidia's meteoric rise during the AI revolution has even made it the most valuable company in the world. Now, quantum technology is positioned to extend this digital transformation by tackling problems that even today's most advanced supercomputers have trouble solving. When paired with AI, quantum computing has the potential to unlock unprecedented efficiencies and reshape industries that will define the next technological frontier. Quantinuum's rise to a $10 billion valuation, backed by some of the biggest names across multiple industries, underscores that the shift to quantum applications is not merely hypothetical or experimental. It is real and already underway. For investors, the message is clear. You don't need to wait for Quantinuum's initial public offering, IPO, to participate in its upside. By building a basket of quantum-adjacent stocks, established blue chips investing beyond their core platforms, you can ride the near-term wave of AI upside while securing long-term tailwinds, fueling the quantum era. But here's where it gets controversial. While IonQ dominates headlines, Quantinuum's diverse investor base and strategic partnerships may offer a more holistic view of the quantum future. And this is the part most people miss. The true power of quantum AI lies in its ability to integrate with existing technologies like AI, creating a synergy that no single company can fully harness. What do you think? Are you ready to jump on the quantum AI bandwagon? Share your thoughts in the comments below. The future of computing is waiting for your input.